right? So you have to consider all of that. There's a lot of competition in this product as well. And I'll go over that in the nuances when we get there. Okay. But as with everything, for me, I'm a very visual trader. And what I try to teach traders is how to read price off of levels where we anticipate or expect a reaction. The most critical part of trading index futures, whether it's NQ, Russell, or the ES, it doesn't matter. We have to be able to identify risk. Okay. We have to be able to identify risk, and it has to be palatable. Like I said, we don't want to be risking 6 handles on an ES trade. That doesn't make any sense at all. And so we'll get into trade setups here in a second, but you need to understand that risk is a little bit different on the ES than it is on the NQ. We will let stuff go 10 handles on the NQ. We'll start to look for exit, but we will let stuff go against us up to 10 handles on the NQ and then find our way out. Whereas the ES, that's a day killer. It's just going to crush us, right? We don't want to let that happen. There's a lot of similarities on the chart, on my NQ chart and the ES chart. We're using this chart as a big support and resistance table, anticipating support when we're tested from above, anticipating resistance when we're tested from below. Okay, and we're going to go over what I feel are go-to setups in the ES to kind of get you started trading the ES. I'm a big-time scalper of the ES. I don't hold the ES very long. If I'm focused on the ES and it's a trend day, I might hold the runner for a little longer. But for the most part, there's a sweet spot of a 3-handle trade for a scalp on the ES that I like to do, and then up to 5 handles depending on momentum. But what is absolutely key here, you guys, what is absolutely key here is just respecting the product that we're in and not just trying to be impulsive about trading.